Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Heart, trapezium, hexagon, star, semicircle, oval, let's learn some colors. Red color, red color, purple color, purple color, sky blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, yellow color, light green color, light green color, forest green color, forest green color, light green color, heart, dark green color, trapezium, purple color, hexagon, yellow color, star, sky blue color, semicircle, red color, oval, light green color, heart, forest green color, trapezium, purple color, hexagon, yellow color, star, sky blue color, semicircle, red color, oval. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.